In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Blogger website mobile responsive. Having a website that's easy to navigate on mobile devices is more important than ever, as more and more people access the internet on their smartphones. Let's walk you through the steps to ensure your Blogger site looks great on any device. To kick things off, you'll need to sign in to Blogger. Head over to Blogger's homepage and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, the next step is to go to the theme section, which you can find on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This section is where the magic happens. You'll be able to choose how your site looks and feels. Now, when it comes to making your Blogger website mobile responsive, it's crucial to select a theme that adapts well to different screen sizes. Look for a theme labeled as responsive. These themes are designed to adjust seamlessly, ensuring your website is both visually appealing and functional on any device your visitors might be using. If you have a specific design in mind, you can also upload a responsive custom template. Just make sure the template is optimized for mobile viewing before you proceed with this option. Before finalizing your choice, preview the theme on both desktop and mobile. This step is vital as it gives you an opportunity to see how your website will appear to visitors. On the theme page, you'll typically find an option to preview. Check this preview for both desktop and mobile to confirm your chosen theme or template looks great. If you notice any misalignment or oddities, it might be worth exploring other themes to find the perfect fit. Once you've settled on a theme, it's time to ensure the mobile version of your site is enabled. You'll find yourself back in the theme area. Here, look for an arrow or some indicator next to the Customize button. Some themes might have this feature built in, making it easier to enable the mobile version. If your chosen theme supports it, enabling the mobile version is straightforward. Click on that arrow and you'll see an option to enable the mobile version. Select it. For themes that automatically adapt to mobile devices, you might find that this step is already taken care of for you, which is a nice time saver. And there you have it. By following these steps, your Blogger website will be well equipped to handle visitors from any device. Taking the time to ensure your site is mobile-friendly not only enhances user experience, but also helps with search engine optimization, as search engines like Google favor mobile-responsive sites. Thank you for sticking with me through this tutorial. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to go mobile-responsive with your Blogger site. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on creating and maintaining a successful online presence.